Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change line spacing in WPS Office. If you would like to do it, first you need to select all text that you want to edit. So we need to go to Home tab, and here you can find something like Select. We need to click on it, and we need to select this one option to select all text. Alternatively, you can try to use shortcut from your keyboard Ctrl+A to do it. So now all text should be successfully selected. So now we can try to change line spacing settings. So we need to click on this one option. It will let you to edit line and paragraph spacing. So I click on it, and how you see on default it is set to 1. If you would like to increase it, for example, to 2, you need to click on this one option. Then it will be successfully changed. Of course, you can set the custom line spacing value. To do it, you need to click on this one option one more time, and then you need to click More. Now paragraph settings will be displayed here, and on spacing settings we need to change this one value. I will increase it maybe to 6, and I click OK button. After that, line spacing will be set to 6. Of course, if you would like to go back to starting settings, you need to click on this one option, and then you need to select 1. So in this way you can easily modify line spacing in WPS Office. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.